So I thought it'd be nice when I designed this porch to leave the rafters open like this. I thought it looked neater, and obviously it was easier to do. But as you can see, the birds enjoyed it as well, and now they, crap all over the porch. So I got some of these bird guard things and taped them up to the rafters here. About 2 years later now that I'm actually finally editing this video, they did work pretty well. They cut the birds down by about 90%. They're still here and there. You gotta clean up after them. They'll build a nest up in the corner of the rafters, but all in all, it was a pretty good success. You can also screw these ones in. They got little holes to screw them in, but the angle, you'll see here where I put them up on the rafters isn't very easy to get the screw gun up there to get the screws in there, so opted for the lovely double-sided tape here. So you can just stick it on there, then peel off the other end of it here, and then just apply a bunch of pressure there when you get that peeled off. And then, like I said, they're still there after a couple winters. I'm in the northwest Pennsylvania, so we get some really cold winters. They're still up there, as you can see here. So I'd recommend them. Cut down on your bird traffic. Crap it on your porch if you got that problem. And they're pretty cost effective. A link in the description if you want to buy some. I think I had 2 packs here to cover all this. And hope it works for you. Good luck. Have fun. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Have fun.